guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically flatten names on Google Sheets. It's pretty simple actually. So you have these names here. You're just going to, let me just adjust this a little bit. You're just going to select one cell, select the equal sign, and you're just going to type in flatten, and then you're going to select everything from the cell but just the names, not like the titles. Close parentheses and just press enter, and there you go. Oops, we forgot to make one more cell here for Drew, but yeah, it's super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!